Hi everyone, welcome to Healthy Passion. Let's see how to make pizza crackers, biscuit pizza or pizza bites. These are very simple, instant and very tasty. To make instant pizza sauce, add 2.5 tablespoon tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoon red chili sauce, half teaspoon dried basil, oregano and chili flakes. Mix everything and our instant pizza sauce is ready. For this, you can use any salted biscuit, add mayonnaise and spread them evenly on the biscuits. Then apply the instant pizza sauce. And then add finely chopped onions, capsicum, tomato, olives. You can also add corn or any veggies as per your wish. And then add the grated cheese. You can microwave them for 1 minute and it's ready. Try this and let me know your feedback in the comment section. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you and have a nice day from Healthy Passion.